first time in Kenya. How does it feel to be in Kenya?
Yeah, I'm now here 5 hours. I like, we have sun here, because in Europe it's now big rain everywhere. And I'm happy to be here, especially with my job. I'm the ambassador for the German Bundesliga. But I'm really happy to be here the first time. I see happiness people, friendly people, and everybody is interested about football. Very nice. I like it.
You are the most capped player to have played in the World Cup for Germany and all over the world. How does it feel to have that kind of honor, having played 25 matches in the World Cup?
It's always nice when you have some records. And 25 times to play in the World Cup, it's absolutely a record. I think Maradona has less, 23 or 22, something like this. But in another way, I had the luck to play in the German national team. And the German national team is normally always qualified for the World Cup. And it's mostly going minimum to the semi-final, sometimes to the final. And I played 5 World Cups. 3 times I was going to the final. 2 times to the quarterfinal. This means on the end I had the big chance when I played in the World Cup, and I played in the World Cup. I had a big chance to make 5 World Cups and together 25 games. Another player maybe cannot have 5 World Cup because he didn't play so long, or his national team was not qualified for 1 World Cup. And how you can make a better number? You need the same a good team on your side.
For German team, we've seen the German team played very well from 2006 when the World Cup was in Germany. German team did do quite well, but afterwards in 2010 German team started rising, and in 2014 they won the FIFA World Cup, and then recently they won the FIFA Confederation. What do you attribute to all these success of the German football?
I think Germany is a football country, and Germany has always a team who is good in a tournament. You start with 2006, go 4 years back. 2002 we was in the World Cup final with Rudi Völler like a coach. And we have great potential in Germany. We make a very good job in the academies with the youth player. Very nice, very good. And for this we have not only a group of good players, we have a big group of good players. And in this moment I think the national coach has the luck to choose from 45 players next year for the World Cup the best 23.
Lothar Matthaus played in the 1999 UEFA Champions League final, Manchester United playing Bayern Munich.
You like to make me angry now?
No.
You might like to make me upset?
Maybe you can tell us how was the feeling? You left Bayern Munich leading by a goal to 0.
We can talk about the World Cup 90 or about the championship what I won. No, we have to talk the same about this. This is football, and this makes the sport so interesting. You think you won, and on the end you have nothing in your hand. But this in the Champions League final, it's really painful, a lot of pain. Not only in the moment, especially days after, and not only for the players, for the fans too. We was controlling the game 90 minutes. It was 1-0 for us. We had the chance to score a second goal, then a third goal, a fourth goal. But we forgot to score the second goal, and then we get the penalty on the end. Yeah, we get 2 goals from Manchester in the overtime. 2 goals in 90 seconds. And then we had nothing after the game in our hand, and they had the Champions League trophy. Congratulations to Manchester, but we was too stupid in this moment. We was not focused till the end to win the game, and for this we lost.
Okay, there have been always been controversies surrounding the best players in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. Lothar Matthaus, who do you say is
I think we have to be happy. We have 2 players like Ronaldo and Messi in this moment in the football. They makes a difference. They make the difference in the last 10-15 years. You can check this on the numbers. They score every year. That score 60-70 goals for their club in the cup, in the championship, in the Champions League. Top scorer makes a difference. I cannot say who is better. I can say only when I'm a coach who I prefer to have in my team. This is Lionel Messi, because he makes something what Ronaldo cannot do. But in another way, Ronaldo makes something what Messi cannot do. But the style of Messi I prefer.
Thank you.
Welcome.